Namaskar. Good sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. But did you know that the preparation for good night's sleep actually begins from the moment you wake up in the morning and goes on throughout the day? Proper management of your daily routine can greatly impact the quality of your sleep. In this video, we will discuss some effective tips to optimize your sleep and help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized every day in the morning. First, get plenty of natural light. Did you know that the exposure of natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock? Your circadian rhythm tells your body when to wake up and when to sleep. Getting enough natural light during the day can help reset your circadian rhythm, make it easier for you to fall asleep at night. Second, limit caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your sleep. Caffeine blocks the effect of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep. It increases the level of cortisol, a stress hormone, which makes us harder for sleep. So, it's best to limit the intake of these substances. Third, avoid napping during the day. Taking nap during the day can affect the body's natural cycle and make it harder to fall asleep at night. Napping can also reduce the amount of deep sleep at night, which is important for physical restoration and repair. If you need to nap, limit it, not more than 20 to 30 minutes. It is like afternoon siesta. It's fine. And avoid napping too close to bedtime. Fourth, try progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique that involves tensing and relaxing each muscle group in your body to promote relaxation. This technique can help reduce muscle tension and lower your heart rate and blood pressure, making it easier for you to fall asleep. It can also reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression, which are often associated with sleep disturbance. Fifth is manage your room temperature. The temperature of your bedroom can have a deep impact on your sleep quality. Your body temperature naturally drops as you fall asleep. So keeping your room temperature cool, ideally between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, can help facilitate this process. A cooler room can also help you to sleep deeper, which is important for physical and mental restoration. Sixth, avoid heavy meals before bed. Eating a heavy meal before bed can cause indigestion, which can make it harder to fall asleep. Your body needs some time to digest the food, and eating too close to bedtime can interfere with your sleeping process. Instead, try to eat light, healthy meals at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Seventh, make sure that your bed is comfortable. Having a comfortable bed is essential for good night's sleep. Your mattresses should provide adequate support to your body to help prevent pain and discomfort. A comfortable bed can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. 8th, invest in blackout curtains. Light exposure can interfere with the production of sleep hormones and like melatonin, which can make it harder for sleep. Blackout curtains can help block out light and restful environment for sleep. This can especially be important for people who work for night shift or live in urban area with bright street lights. 9th, practice yoga. Yoga is an effective tool for promoting relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety, all of which can contribute to a better sleep. Yoga may also help in production of better hormone, which is called as melatonin, which is crucial for the sleep-wake cycle. Practice asanas like Parvatasana, Hastpadangusthasana, Yastikasana, Balasana, and Shavasana. Do this before sleep on bed. Furthermore, breathing techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing can help in getting a sound sleep. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Implementing these tips into your daily routine can make a significant difference in the quality of sleep and overall health. By managing your daily routine, creating a sleep environment, and using natural sleep aids, you can ensure that you sleep well and get up absolutely fresh and ready to tackle the day ahead. Namaskar.